Hello everyone, it's Keith here again. Today is a special day. I'm starting a series on how to use common phrases that we have in the English language. So today we'll be going over greetings, or as you know, as aisatsu. So next to me here on the whiteboard, I have commonly used English phrases for greetings. And we're going to go over those together today. And here's my list. And at the top here, we have greetings. Greetings, or aisatsu for greetings. So when we first normally meet someone, we say hello. Hello. Or we can say good afternoon, which is konnichiwa. Hello, good afternoon is konnichiwa. If it's early in the morning and you're just meeting someone, you say good morning. Good morning, which is ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu for good morning. And if it's later in the day, we would say good evening. Good evening. Konbanwa for good evening. And if it's late at night and you're going home, you say good night. Good night for oyasumi nasai. Good night. And when you're just leaving someone, you say goodbye for sayonara or bye-bye. Goodbye. If you're trying to get someone's attention, you can say excuse me. Excuse me for sumimasen. Excuse me. Next, we have please. Please for onegaishimasu. Please. And after that, we thank them by saying thank you. Thank you very much. For domo arigato. Thank you very much. And here we have in response, you are welcome. You're welcome. For doitashimashite. You are welcome. And last, if you want to apologize, you say, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sumimasen. I'm sorry. So, those were just a handful of the commonly used phrases that we use in English for greetings and farewells. Next time, I will be teaching you guys other commonly used phrases used in everyday English. See you then. Bye.